All right, new drivers, thank you so much for checking out this YouTube video. You're going to be able to check out this new driver, learning how to turn throughout the residential spaces. Got to keep in mind the proper steering technique, when to use the accelerator, when to use the brake. We're going to go over all of that in this long form video. Thank you so much for checking it out, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Make a left at this upcoming street. Your blinker too late. You gotta give others a warning.
Oh.
Where was the brake?
Right.
Let's roll.
Okay.
You gotta remember to slow down. Oh, wait, move them hands. There we go. You Mario Karting. We gotta make sure we slow it down when we finna go into those turns. We got this. Give me a right up here at the stop sign. With that blinker. You keep looking here. You get what I'm saying? That's why we out there. You get what I'm saying? Once we check, we looking up the block. Give me a right here. Blinker on. Slowing as we checking. We looking. We good. Let's roll. Okay, we're gonna work. Man, we're gonna make a right.
Okay.
Blinker on. Left. You have to enter the road first, but since we at this point, just keep it rolling now. Bam, 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 bam. Where you looking? There.
This way.
There you go. Bam, bam, bam. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Now we looking good. Give me a right up here.
Okay.
I gotta be on my P's and Q's now. Phil, you're not looking.
What?
Where you coming?
Oh, I thought I was supposed to.
No, you gotta check to make sure ain't nobody blowing past State Street.
Right.
Get what I'm saying? Let's roll it.
Okay.
Gotta check before we go. Blinker on. Pull up till you can see in both directions. There we go. That's too slow. We gotta speed that up, right? You got to figuring out what hand to do, all of that good stuff. Give me a right on this next street. Blinker on. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep it rolling. As you're looking, slow it, turn it. Slow it, turn it. 1, 2, 3, gas it through. Boom. Bam. We'll get that. We'll get that because we have to maneuver that foot over faster so that we can enter the residential roads at a better pace. We don't want to completely stop to do that. We're going to make a left at this upcoming street. That was a better turn, but I didn't like the looking. You looked at the other way in the middle of the street. Get what I'm saying? Look as we are approaching so that you can keep our eyes on where we're going after we checked. We're gonna make a right at this upcoming stop sign. Bam. Good job. Check it. They stop. We out. Let's roll. Boom. Move them hands. Boom, boom. That was a bit wide. You felt that? Give me a right up here. Blinker on. Where your blinker?
Oh,
there you go.
I didn't see. I thought we was going
Slow
all the way
it.
down. My bad.
Bam, let's roll. 1, 2,
I didn't
3.
even see the
Let's roll.
sign.
2, 3, 2, 3. Oh, wait.
I don't know why it's so wide.
We're gonna get it. I don't want to go all off over there yet. It get faster, and I gotta make sure you can master it here before we turning off of faster roads onto these roads. There we go. Give me a right. Far enough up so that you can see. You can't see. See how this fence is blocking us? Now, Paul. See how we can see now? We good? Let's roll. Look where you're going. Move them hands. Let's roll. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2.
No, not enough gas. Okay.
Wee. You gotta get a little bit more fluid through there. Give me another right up here.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go. Check it, we good, let's roll. 2, 3.
Oh, Lord.
We gonna be doing rights a while. I ain't liking that right. Give me a right up here. Let's roll. They got a stop sign. Let's roll. What's happening? Straighten up.
Oh.
Hold on. Straighten up.
Okay.
So we gotta work on those rights. We ain't got that yet. Give me a left on this upcoming street. Left blinker on. There you go. Slow her down. Check. We good. Let's roll. Yeah, we still too. You're doing too much moving with your hands on the wheel.
Mm-hmm.
You're trying to go inside. You're trying to figure out where to place your hand and your feet. So we got to put them all together, right? We're going to work a little bit more up here on this residential side. Give me a right turn. I ain't liking those rights.
I don't know what it is about them.
What is up with your feet? Is you pressing with your big toe through the center? Something off. Something off. We're going to make a left up here. As we're approaching, we slowing, checking. Slow it. Rotate. There we go. And that's what I was saying. Everything is off when we got the snow. I don't know whether it's you, we slide, but it ain't working right now. We're going to make it right up here. Here. Well, your eyes always straight. You get what I'm saying? Get to the left, son. You gotta look up the place we're going. Looking straight, just like you watching your hands or something. Give me a right at this upcoming street. Up the block. After you checking it's clear, we looking up the street. Checking it. Slow it, turn it, we out.
I don't know why I pressed on the brake.
Well, yeah. You also checked over there again in the middle of the street, right? If you're checking it on your way, then we focus on up the block. Rock and roll. We'll take it up here. That's why we gotta be paying attention. You slide up and it through there, man, that's gonna end the lesson.
That light don't even make a difference. I saw it, but I didn't like. I was trying to
Put
see
that
like,
right blinker on.
what was it?
Check it. We good. Let's roll. Straighten up. There you go. Keep it up. Get to the left side. You're gonna learn that lesson on your own. You're gonna be driving up a street one day, they're gonna bust that door open. You're gonna be like, that's what he was talking about. Slow down, what we do? What's
I
that?
was.
Oh, we. Damn. We're gonna make a left at this street here. And then at the following street, we're gonna make another left. Let's roll. Check it. We good? Let's roll. Let's roll. So how would you rate yourself today?
I said like last time like I said I give myself an 8, but this time I say like 7.
Okay. So you think you...
Might be the snow, might be because I'm tired. I don't know. I
Okay.
don't know what it is, but I think I did a little But my turning, I guess, I wanted to practice that for real. So.
Yeah. Just so you can feel it and understand it and, you know, get more familiar with it. That's all. Well, you be scaring me with that stopping. We got to slow it down a little bit sooner. Jesus. Ooh. Especially with the snow we hit up there, we get the slide. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Bam. Good stop. Bam. Check it, roll. That wasn't good. You couldn't see left at all. You just assumed it was clear. Get what I'm saying? You gotta make sure you move it up so that we can ensure that it's clear. Can't be guessing when we get on the road. Give me a left on this street here. We looking, rolling, go. Slow it so that you can tighten it up. Turn it more. Get what I'm saying? We gotta control that a little bit more. Keep it going. Watch them speed, slow it down. Ooh-wee. Nope, that's the thing right there. Keep it up. Bam. Straighten her up. Give me it right on this street here.